Hey guys, my name's Renee Smith. I just want to take a quick minute to introduce myself. I am a happily married mom of four. I also have a grandbaby who's about to be 4. I work full-time outside the home. I'm a veterinarian, and my husband also works full-time outside the home. I've been with Beachbody for a little over a year now. I originally joined for the discount. I've since lost 32 pounds and kept it off, and I'm still working on toning up, and then of course my personal development. I am a diamond coach. My husband is an emerald coach under me, and we've recently started working his leg of the business so we can continually grow from there. Long-term goals, I would like to retire soon, and maybe do a little relief work, and then also bring my husband home from his job. That's our first goal. I do still run challenge groups monthly, mainly for me. They help hold me accountable, but also for my customers and coaches to keep them accountable to their goals, and just keep the support system there. So as people have problems or any questions, we're there to support each other and help each other through that. Coaching. The reason I started coaching was because as I started losing weight, I started seeing how excited people were, and how I could actually help people. And so many people are losing the weight and getting healthy, and it's just so gratifying to me to see them get happy and comfortable with themselves. And so that's the only reason I do it, is just to help people reach their goals that they set for themselves. As far as recommending the coaching opportunity, I definitely would do it. I think everybody can do this. All you have to do is have an open heart and a willingness to help each other, and then have them help you as well. The motivation and the accountability is just awesome. So we hope that you'll join our team, and as always, I always tell people, if you have any questions or any comments or anything, just please let me know. Thanks, guys.